Attention investors, first-time homebuyers, and deal seekers. This is your opportunity to own 1825 Grove Circle in Mesquite, Texas. This auction-style pricing begins at $150,000, and tours will begin this Friday. Don't miss out on all of the upgrades and potential that this property has. The home sits in a quiet, established neighborhood. It has undergone significant improvements, making it a solid investment or a family home. The roof was recently replaced about 6 years ago, and the HVAC has been upgraded to a high-quality Train system. You will enjoy Texas summers in this well-air-conditioned home. Inside, you'll find a spacious layout ready for your personal touch. Whether you're looking for a primary residence, a rental property, a fix and flip, or the home that you want to spend the rest of your life in, this property has tons of potential. With an after repair value of approximately $220,000, this property presents an outstanding opportunity to build equity, maximize your investment as Mesquite continues to grow and values continue to rise. Bidding starts at just $150,000. All offers must be submitted by Sunday, March 18th. Don't miss out on this opportunity. To schedule your private tour or to submit your bid, go ahead and contact me, the listing agent, Jessica Nelson. Please note that while this is an opening bid price, we do expect the offers to be well above asking. So please, no lowball offers. Thank you, and I look forward to working with you. For more opportunities like this and all of our latest listings, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel.